Hello and welcome to Earth and Glam. Today we're going to be making a super easy and super cute Barrette. For today's checkered Barrette pieces, I'm going to be using some leftover clay I have on hand, and it's primarily black and gray. We're going to get started with rolling and conditioning this clay. I'm going to start with rolling it in my hand and then moving it over to a pasta roller. If you don't have access to a pasta roller, you can use an acrylic roller or anything else that works well with your clay. Once the clay is well incorporated and conditioned, we will begin with applying our silk stencil. I'll be using a paint technique on this design. The silk screen I'm using is a checkered pattern, and I'll be applying white paint to the top, using a scraping tool to evenly distribute the paint across the clay. And now I will carefully pull the silk screen off the clay. Allowing the clay a few minutes to dry, I will now go in with my cutting tool and cut the intended designs out. The design cutter I am using today is just a standard Barrette Chic. I'll then move my clay pieces over to a baking surface. I'm using a ceramic tile today, but you can also use a baking sheet with parchment paper or oven-safe glass. We'll bake these pieces for 30 minutes at 270 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the pieces have had time to cool, we will go ahead and apply the baked piece to our Barrette. I'm using E6000 glue to connect the pieces today. It seems to work really well for this process. I am using pressure to secure the two pieces together, and then I will allow them to dry in the upside down state. And I'll repeat this process for each of the Barrettes. After those have had time to sit for a few hours, I go ahead and add a satin gloss on top. This is an optional step. This specific glaze only requires 30 minutes to dry, so after that, these super cute and quick Barrette designs are complete. Thanks for checking out this tutorial today. You can buy these Barrettes at earthandglam.shop. We also have other options for Barrettes. Thanks for joining.